In this video, I will show you how to download a Facebook Messenger conversation. Let's get started. First, launch a Facebook app or the Messenger and then head over to the menu page. Once you're over here, click on the option Settings. Now, head over to the section Account Center. Now scroll down and click on the option Your Information and Permission. Now click on the option Export Information. Click on the option Create Export. Click on the option Export to Device. Now, click on the option Customize Information and clear all of these and just select Messages. Then you can head back, click on the option Date Range, select it, head back, click on the option Format, select it, likewise select the media quality. After you fill up these, click on the option Start Export. You will be prompted to enter your Facebook's password, type in that. Facebook will begin preparing your data, which may take some time. Once your download is ready, you'll receive a notification allowing you to download the file containing your Messenger conversations. Following these steps will let you easily download and save your Facebook Messenger chats for your records. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.